last but not least, these are our new hammered bangles. These are US made. These are solid brass. There's a hammered texture to it, and then they're plated with the precious metals. You can see the sidebar for more information about these, but let me show you some examples real quick of how crazy fun these are to design with. This is one of the open back bezels. It just has a Swarovski glued right in. Here's an example of it with one of the open back bezels. This is just the crystal clay, double-sided. Here's an example of one of the new charms on there with the little itsy glitter rocks. What else? Just a simple little accent. Here's that crystal clay one. Again, this accent just being cut off and made a mold with. Here it is built in with a couple of other new charm. Here's an example of some wire wrapping with some pearls. This isn't even the right bracelet, but you can see how it all works together. But anyway, so here's some of those itzies that are so adorable and cute, showing them with charms. This is again a mold made out of that one drop and placed right into the itsy. And another example of using it with the open back bezels.